There are a variety of career paths for chemical engineering graduates, some of which might be in surprising sectors or on less obvious projects. Wood, a global leader in consulting and engineering across energy and the built environment, is helping to unlock solutions to some of the world's most critical challenges. Here's more on how Wood is supporting their clients throughout the life cycle of their projects.
Large-scale decarbonisation projects are essential if the UK is to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. And such projects don't yet come bigger than Humber Zero, where retrofitting post-combustion capture at the vast industrial complex will save 3.2 million tonnes of CO2 each year. Chemical engineers from Wood are working in collaboration with other industry partners to provide innovative solutions, which the project director says will also be applicable to other technological challenges.
It will be a pioneering project. It's essentially designed at a scale that hasn't been done before, but it's a sign of what we need to do in order to get to 2050. We do need to make these first-of-a-kind type investments and really start to make big steps towards capturing carbon at scale and decarbonising industry in particular. The real importance will be in allowing for the learnings and allowing for the experience to be replicated elsewhere so that actually you can make a difference on a global scale.
Chemical engineering affects our daily lives in ways we might rarely think about. The glass, furnishings, lighting and heating, medicines, and so much more. Even your water bottle and your coffee cup, which can now be recycled. It was an interest in how the world works that led Andy Hemingway to a degree in chemical engineering and on to the graduate training scheme at Wood, which he says still provides a solid career foundation with the chance to experience a huge range of work environments, including wind farms, innovative hydrogen fuels, and medical products like synthetic blood plasma.
I've done some amazing things and I've lived all over the world, and what's really inspired me is the diversity of opportunity that's presented itself. Interestingly, I think the future has a greater demand for chemical engineering than perhaps even the past. It's such a diverse career. Chemical engineers are involved in all aspects of changing the world. So, if you're sat there and you're thinking, how do I make a difference? How do I really change the world? Do chemical engineering, because you'll get the opportunity and you'll be able to.
Changing the world was on the agenda at the COP26 climate conference, an early career highlight for Wood graduate process engineer Payal Thadani.
The most exciting thing so far has been by far attending the COP26 summit in Glasgow last year. And it was very interesting because I was wearing two different hats, working for the UN on a project called the Race to Resilience, while at the same time working for Wood and attending all the Wood events and being a part of the Sustainable and Resilient Infrastructure team. There are a lot of challenges in the future, and a lot of them are revolving around energy, clean water, food, and climate change. I do think chemical engineers are the best suited to solve these problems. We need intellectual people. We need people who like problem solving, who have the creativity to bring together technology, do research, do development, and then work in teams to deliver those solutions that will keep humanity safe for the next 50, 100 and 100 plus years, I suppose.
With this confidence, commitment and concern for the planet, young people are becoming chemical engineers to tackle some of the world's most urgent challenges in order to meet society's needs and look to a responsible future.